the YouTube Shorts app is finally hitting the Western world. And I'm going to show you how you can make YouTube Shorts using just your mobile phone. Originally, YouTube Shorts was supposed to be an India-based beta only. That means that people outside India had to upload vertical format videos just like a normal video, title it accordingly, add the tag Shorts. Now, this little beauty has arrived and you'll see, look, it's got a beta icon and you can start using the app. What you do is you record the video in the app itself, just like you do with Instagram Reels and things like that. You can use the little record button to record individual segments. Each little segment you can stop and let go, and then you can cut and move. You can switch the camera around. You can have a look at the speed. You can put it on a timer, should you want to put it on a tripod somewhere. Then you get into the upload screen where you can title it, you can choose the audience, and then you upload it. I'm in the UK, so it's good to see it that it's slowly working its way into my mobile phone and maybe many others. Is this a limited beta? We don't know just yet, but this is how you could make your own shorts on your mobile rather than just uploading them manually. This is a sign that YouTube is taking this very seriously, and combined with the fact that they've recently removed YouTube tags, the tags that you don't really use on things like TikTok and Instagram Reels, maybe this is the next step forward on the platform. If you want more information about them removing YouTube tags, there's a video here. Been a very busy day today, 2 videos in one day.